How can I find out if there is a life insurance policy on me in Europe? The EHIC was originally created and introduced around 2 years ago. The card was to be slowly phased in to replace the E111 form seen as outdated by many. The concept of the card is that it provides access to initial emergency treatment usually deemed life-saving or unavoidable. Under the scheme, you will be treated as would any other insured person in the member country. Currently some 30 countries subscribe to the agreement, of which 4 are non-EU member states, namely Norway, Iceland, Liechtenstein and Switzerland. Research carried out by MoneySupermarket.com shows that 59% of people interviewed still think the E111 form is in place. This is perhaps worrying when you consider that the new card has been in place for a little over 2 years now, meaning potentially millions have traveled without any form of cover. Those of you who have the EHIC should consider some form of travel insurance if you have not already done so, as the two aspects work in synergy with each other. Without the EHIC you will have to pay privately for the emergency treatment you require, and even with it you will still have to pay for any treatment over and above this. It is important to remember that holiday insurance also covers you for eventualities such as theft, cancellation, personal liability and varying other eventualities. It is my hope that after reading this video you will at least consider taking out some form of protection for your next holiday. After all, peace of mind is priceless.